Hello and welcome to Top 4. In this occasion, I bring you a new website, or well, a new half. The truth is that I had forgotten it for a long time, but as I am going to remove it, I wanted to show it because it seems to me a pretty good opportunity, especially since you are going to being able to start earning easily and in a fairly simple way. The truth is that anyone can start earning practically without effort. It is a very good opportunity in addition to the fact that the minimum withdrawal amounts are super low. In fact, it is one of the websites with the minimum amounts of the shortest withdrawals I have found, in addition to the fact that you could be reaching it in just one day. But if you want to see all the information about it, I recommend that you watch the complete video so you do not miss a single detail. And you can also start earning online in a quite simple. The website that we are going to be using is about this. Remember, it has the links in the description and in the pinned comment. Why? Because I don't think you can find it for just a diamond, but remember, link in the description and pinned comment so you can access to this website with a single click. And well, how are you going to start earning with this website that offers very good opportunities? For example, you can click here to show you all the opportunities that you have available here. For example, you could get up to 20,000 points. Look, for example, receive 10,000 points for posting a short from this platform on TikTok. Here you could get 10,000 points for posting a video of this on the platform, although since it already covers it, we are in waiting. Here we have other options then, for example, interacting by leaving a review, join the Discord, and other opportunities. Well, you can also win. The truth is that it is a very good way, besides that you see this because they are people who are winning at this moment. But hey, this is the first of the opportunities. Of course, we have others available. For example, it's a streak here. What you have to do is, for example, register in the game and get an arena point in 21 days, with which you will be able to reach your 5,720 points. We have other applications here that are promoted by the same platform, with which ones you could basically win. These are like the top or the most promoted or featured by the same platform. But they are not the only offers that we have available in other videos. I have mentioned that there are platforms or websites that are more convenient for you than, for example, gaming, or than Tropical Crush, where you have to install applications to get tickets. Well, the truth is that this is the kind of website where you get a bonus or money for simply doing the same action instead of participating in a raffle. Better take the money directly. And here we have several opportunities, for example, to complete surveys, to leave a review, even to start with a fairly easy website. This is actually another quite good one, but I will talk about it in another next video. Right now we are with this one. We also have, for example, Moonlinks, which it also offers you very good opportunities. We are going to wait for it to finish loading, and as you can see here, we have an OctFX offer, and it gives you 42,000 points, 35,000, 14,563, 14,563. And look, here are a lot of different opportunities. Now, how do you complete each one of them? These offers, the truth is that it is very simple. All you have to do is choose the free one here. For example, we have surf and we have ads here. In offers, you will accommodate them, for example, for which you are paying more and less the recommended ones, the most new. And here you can see different types of offers. For example, for iOS, we have these. For Android, we have these others that actually pay quite well. For example, to start, we click here on Start Offer, and it will open another website here. It brings us directly to the website where we can already register and start earning. The truth is that it is quite cool because it has used it, and the truth is that it pays quite well. Besides that, you will be earning on this first website, you will be taking your bonus on the second. That, speaking of Moonlinks, but we are going to open Time World here. Well, if you are going to have to register, but the truth is that it is not complicated at all, and you are going to get offers. We go down a little more, and we have another one of the classics that pays quite well. Here I select this device, for example, Android. We press save and we will load the different options for Android. We have different games. We have, for example, Binance, where you could get 6,891 points for simply verifying your account and depositing $10 if you had thought, for example, to trade. An excellent opportunity. We have other applications where simply playing you will be given bonuses here. That is quite good. The truth, that is another quite interesting, but it pays very little. So the truth is that it depends on you if you want to choose it or not. And well, you can go down through the different options. The truth is that quite a few and very good. As you can see, we go down. And we keep finding more opportunities. Quite great, to tell the truth. Now, if what you want is not to complete offers but surveys, we have these, for example, that at least I like. It seems like one of the best opportunities to start earning 90 points in 15 minutes. 15 points. This is a little less. 130 points. This is quite good. Very 5 points, but just a minute of your time. The truth is that it is a very good opportunity. You can still check and brain to check the different offers or surveys that it will bring you. We accept terms and conditions. Let's start, and then we are simply going to fill out our profile. We have a capital opinion and BitLabs. The truth is that it offers you very good opportunities to start earning too. It has certain contests where you will get prizes, for example, for simply starting to earn points. Here is the top one that will also get another 5,000 points and has a total prize of $200. Although this is not just for one participant, it is for everyone. But the truth is that it is distributed quite well now to be able to withdraw. We give you here and cash out. This one has options, for example, Razer Gold, PlayStation, Google Play, Valorant, Steam, LED Point Pairs. The one that I am going to choose, we are going to give you here, for example, in $3. And as you can see, we only need 3,000 points. I currently have 3,641. For this, we simply click here on with, select our country, which in my case would obviously be Mexico, and then we will withdraw here in withdraw, and that's it. The truth is that it is quite easy to start earning. The truth is that anyone can do it without any problem. We are going to simply confirm our telephone number, and now the transaction is simply confirmed, and that's how easy you can start earning too. But anyway, tell me how you like this new method. The truth is that it is a very good way. Remember to have the links in the description, if in the pinned comment. We will see you in a next video. See you next time.